Hi, I wanted to show y'all how to use Vizzlie for your benefit. We got to save time in our day, right? So we will open up our web browser and we are going to go over to Vizzlie, Vizzlie.com. And if you haven't yet created an account, you want to create a free account, you can do one party tracked a month. That way you can try it out before you buy it if you decide you like it. I decided I loved it, and so I created my account paid subscription. And we are going to add a template code. So I'll have a template code in my description. So we're going to click over at templates on Facebook, import a template, and you are going to put it right here in the template code box and it will import. And so once you import your code, you're going to go here and you will modify all these things that you want to modify to your verbiage. You want to change some of the personalized posts that are mine. And then after you do that, we're going to come over to Facebook and I'm going to create a group and I'm going to name it Test and Create. So I don't add anybody to it until I get it set up and going. Once you're in your group, you're going to come over to your settings on the sidebar and go all the way down to apps, and we're going to add the Vizzlie app. That way it allows it to post on your behalf. And we're going to add. So now we'll click home and go back to that. Come back to Vizzlie and you're going to go up into your activities, Facebook, click groups, and down here you have your test group. So we're going to track it. Yes, we want to track it. And up here, you're going to click Open Group. And in here is where we're going to use a template. You can create individual posts here as well, or you can create your whole template here. But I am going to click my 3-day party template. And the first day I'm going to choose is Thursday at 12 o'clock will be my first post. This is where if you've already put some of those individual posts I just showed you, you'll keep them. If not, you can say no. And then I like to select all posts. You can choose a few posts to bring in from the template, but I use the whole template. Once the template's loaded, I spend my majority of my time individualizing each party, customizing. I'll change images, so I'll click on here. We can edit it, and I'll delete these and add my themed images there. And so, you know, it feels a little more unique instead of using the same images over and over. Plus, if you use the same images, same times and everything, and you're doing 3 parties in 1 week, it's going to make Facebook wonder if you're spammy and might throw you in jail. I have not yet been there. I've customized most all my parties. There's not usually the same thing in 2 parties in the same week with the same images. But then you'll come all the way down here after you customize your party posts. And these are all my text replacements. So we'll want to click on host and we'll say Sally is our host. And the first day for this one will be Monday. And we'll click OK. Last day of party we do is Saturday because of the way it sets up. And then party day is Thursday. So I have all these different brackets in there so you can change, so you don't have to have it always start on Thursday. You can change all of those things. So the day before for this one is Wednesday. And then the amount, Vizzlie will not let you post these until you have every single bracket changed. So we're going to say we have 3 buy 3, get 1 free left. And then the final amount we'll say is $20 to hit our goal, to hit Sally's goal. And then the link, that's where you're going to copy and paste from your back office. I'm not going to show you that part. We'll just pretend we have a party number, right? So you'll just copy and paste it right there, and we'll save. And oh, into the party. See, I forgot these, but you know, it will not let you post until you have everything saved anyways. Now that there's no red, we can go all the way back to the top and we can turn posting on, and it warns us we have 3 posts, and we're going to say okay. I like to have my pre-party post several days before I invite my host. That way I know that Vizzlie's working and I did everything right. It's going to make a little noise and show a little check mark next to these stating that it was posted. There we go. So 2 of them are posted, and there's those little check marks. So now we have just our welcome, which it just posted. So now we're going to come up and go over to Facebook. We're going to refresh. And then as we refresh, you will see your posts. And then we want to just make sure our welcome post, we're going to mark it as an announcement, right? So we can leave it at the top. That is how you post with Vizzlie. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helps you out a lot and hits the ground running, and you guys save time in your day, right?